Brad Hall here, and today I've got one of the most iconic Adidas Yeezys ever, and probably one of the most highly anticipated releases of the year. It's the 2022 version of the Yeezy 350 Turtle Dove. I'm going to take you through this shoe, talk a little bit about sizing, and more. That is all up ahead. I never thought this shoe was going to come out again, and I was so excited to see that it was happening that I picked up a pair early because I couldn't wait any longer. I was really antsy to get these in hand. Even though a lot of classic Yeezy colorways are coming back, they tend to come back on models that are currently being released. This particular model hasn't been released in a really long time. Adidas and Yeezy, they opened up the vault with this one, and I'm glad they did because it's great to have more chances to get these coveted sneakers. And this one is just, well, it is just one of the best looking Yeezys in my opinion. The Turtle Dove colorway is just perfect for showing off this model. I've always really loved this prime knit pattern, and it just pops so well paired with this midsole. It is a pretty simple shoe, and all of these little details, they add up to give it a lot of character. You've got that ribbing on the midsole, a nice texture to run your finger along. There's that red thread running through that heel tab, black suede around the arch area of the foot. Of course, you've got that stitching joining the upper in the center down that toe box area. This is probably the first Yeezy release that gives me kind of a nostalgic feeling. It brings back great memories, which is kind of interesting for the Yeezy brand because normally they are pushing forward relentlessly. It's very interesting to kind of take a step back and honor the past, and that's what I think this shoe does. What a beautiful shoe. Now, I do believe with the first release, this only came in whole sizes. I've heard this one is going to come in half sizes. I also remember this one fitting a little bit on the larger side. This shoe runs on the tight side. It does have a pretty snug fitting prime knit upper. Now this one is actually my normal size, and it is a little tight on me. I got this in my normal size too, and I'm not sure how well this reads on camera, but I do think the 350 V2 is running a little bit longer, at least on this one that I have. But I did try on this Turtle Dove pair, and let's see if you can see this. The upper is a lot looser than the 350 V2. I'll get this in camera. It's hard to tell, but trust me, it is looser on this one. And so there's just more room in here. There's more give to it. So not only does this pair have the tighter toe box, it also slants forward in the heel. It kind of pushes your foot into there even more. The Turtle Doves are much less aggressive about pushing your foot forward. I would be curious to try a half size up, but this is not bad at all. I don't feel bad about wearing these. The Turtle Doves came out back in 2015, and style has changed so much since then. I know that when I first got these, I was primarily wearing khaki pants. Now I mostly wear jeans, and that is a pretty big difference going from a khaki pant, which is mostly a light brownish color, to a jean, which is a light bluish color. Fortunately, I can say that this shoe, it looks good with both of those pants. That is a true testament to how good looking this shoe is. I was curious if they updated the midsole on this shoe at all. I remember it being fairly rigid, and I did hear reports about it sometimes cracking. I haven't had an original pair in my hand in a while, but I do feel like this one, it reminds me of that. It feels very similar to what I remember. Now I want to try to show you the difference between this and the 350 V2 midsole. So here we go. Let's see if we can get this. Maybe something like this. Nope. Here we go. We'll do it one at a time. Here's the original 350. Not much give to it. Not very squishy at all. Really actually pretty challenging to push in on this. That is just a lot squishier. I'm not sure if that shows up on camera, but my fingers are pushing into this midsole with a lot more ease than that original pair. So that's the 2022 Yeezy 350 Turtle Dove. They're rumored to release on Yeezy Day, which is rumored to be happening really soon. We'll see if that all pans out. And I hope this was helpful. It is really exciting to get this shoe back. What a classic.